Okay, this is 5.8, number 11, and it says that there's a computer club and they invested $2,200. Some of it was invested at 4.5% and some was invested at 7%. And then they made a total of $144 off of it for yearly interest. And they want us to find out how much they invested each amount. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. Why don't we call X the amount they invested at 4.5%? And at 7%, they would have invested however $2,200 was minus X, okay? Because part of it goes one place, and the rest of it would be, if you subtract it from 2,200, that would be how much was invested at the other rate. So let's say if you got the total interest, which is $144, you know that total interest is the interest at 4.5% plus the interest at 7%. Well, we can figure that out. One formula we might need here is interest is equal to the percent, or the principal, sorry, P is for principal, that's the amount you invest. R is the rate, like the percentage rate, and T is the time. Now in our problems here, time is going to be 1 because it's 1 year, okay? So basically all I need to do to calculate the interest of each piece of what we're earning is to multiply the percentage rate times the amount invested. So if it's $144 is what we earned, well, what did we earn off of 4.5%? Well, we remember we're going to change a percent to a decimal. We will bump the decimal place over to the left too. This would be 0.045, and we said we invested X at 4.5%. Okay, so that's the amount of interest we'd make off the 4.5% investment. Now we're going to add in the other investment. At 7%, what did we invest? Well, we invested $2,200 minus X. Okay, so we get, if you do this, you get 0.045X plus, now we got 0.07 times 22. And if you distribute that, that ends up being 154 plus minus, I need to subtract here, 0.07X. Now you could, if you wanted to, you can get rid of all these decimals by multiplying everything by 1,000. That would move all the decimal places over 3 places. So let's do that. That would be 144 times 1,000. And then this would move this over 3 places. This would be 45X plus, now if we multiply 154 by 1,000, remember that's what we're doing, to move all the decimal places over 3 spots. That would be 154,000. And then if we move this one over 3 places, we actually get 70X. Okay, let's, we got 45X minus 70X. That's going to be what, negative 35X? No, negative 25X. Yeah, negative 25X plus 154,000 equal 144,000. Now I'm going to let you solve this by finishing it up and solving for X. And if you remember what you're going to have to do to find out the amount at 4.5%, you're going to move this over here, and then you'll solve for X by dividing both sides by negative 25. When you get X, remember that's this amount at 4.5%, and then you'll have to subtract X from 2,200 to get the amount from 7%. I'm going to leave that for you to finish up, but I wanted to help you with the setup of the problem.